Today I'll be showing you how to change a burned out brake lamp on a Fiat 500e. First thing you want to do is take out these two screws. With the two screws out, the tail light comes out easily. You just have to remove a connector. With the connector removed, remove these 4 bolts. With all 4 bolts out, you have the tail light housing that has the 3 bulbs, brake lamp, turn signal, and backup light. With the new bulb in, you can put it back in just like the way you took it out. Okay, all 4 bolts are back in, connector plugged in, tail light screwed back on with the 2 screws, and you are pretty much good to go. Thanks for watching.